Meow. You came back? Good human. So you did your homework, right? You wrote down your goal? If not, pause this video right now. Go do it. I will wait. Still here? Good. Today we start with the foundation, the alphabet, the sounds, the basics. You know what? Even us cats had to learn to meow properly. Some kittens sound terrible at first, but practice makes perfect. Let us go. Now, you might think, I already know A, B, C, but here is the thing. English letters make different sounds than you think. Sometimes, many sounds. It is confusing. I know, in English we have 26 letters, but 44 sounds. We call them phonies. Fancy word. Ignore it. For example, the letter A can sound like A, like in cat. Hey, that is me. Ah, like in father. Ah, like in all. Crazy, right? Do not worry. We will keep it simple today. Today we learn the 26 letters and their main sounds. That is it. Let us start with the most important letters, the vowels. In English, vowels are special. They are in every word. You cannot speak without them. Try it. Say cat without the A sound. You get seat. That is not a word. That is a sneeze. Let us practice the vowel names first. Repeat after me. A, say A. E, say E. I, say I. O, say O. U, say U. Good. Again, faster. A, E, I, O, U. Excellent. Now the short vowel sounds, the ones we use most. A equals ah, like in apple, cat, hat. E equals A, like in egg, bed, red. I equals I, like in it, sit, big. O equals ah, O, like in on, hot, dog. U equals like in up, cup, run. Let us practice. With words. Repeat after me. Cat, C-A-T, bed, B-E-D, sit, S-I-T, hot, H-O-T, cup, C-U-P. Nice. You are speaking English already. Now the consonants. That is all the other letters. There are 21 of them. Do not panic. Most of them sound similar to other languages. Some are weird. I will warn you about the weird ones. Let us go through the alphabet. Repeat after me. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. That is me. D, dog. E, egg. F, fish. G, grape. H, hand. I, ice. J, juice. K, key. L, lemon. M, moon. N, nut. O, orange. P, plate. Q, queen. R, red. S, sun. T, tire. U, up. V, vase. W, water. X, kes, box. Y, yo, yellow. Z, zero. Okay, you survived. That is the whole alphabet. Now, I need to warn you about some tricky letters. These ones confuse even smart cats like me. TH, this is 2 letters together, but 1 sound. Put your tongue between your teeth. Yes, really. This, that, 3. Think. Try it. Thank you. Chur. Sounds like chair, cheese, lunch. Say, chicken. Sh. Sounds like like when humans tell cats to be quiet. She, fish, wash. Say, fish. My favorite. Silent letters. Sometimes English has letters that do not make any sound. Annoying, I know. Knife. The K is silent. Right, the W is silent. Talk, the L is barely there. Do not worry about these now. Just know, English is weird sometimes. Okay, time to practice. I will say some simple words. You repeat. Focus on the sounds. Ready? Repeat after me. Cat, dog, fish, big, small. Yes, no. Hello. Thank you. Good. Excellent. Now, let us try the whole alphabet one more time. Just the letter names. Fast. Go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Beautiful. You know the English alphabet. Meow. Before you go, here is your homework. Task 1. Practice saying the alphabet 3 times today, out loud. Yes, people might look at you weird. Who cares? Task 2. Pick 5 letters. Find 1 word for each letter. Say them out loud. For example, A equals apple, B equals ball, C equals cat. Task 3. In the comments below, write the alphabet. Just type A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way to Z. This helps your brain remember. That is it. Simple, right? Tomorrow, lesson 3, we learn how to say hello, how to introduce yourself, how to be polite. Important stuff. But for now, practice your sounds. The alphabet is your foundation. Master this. Everything else gets easier. You did good today. I am proud of you. Now go practice. And remember, even if you sound funny at first, keep going. Every master was once a beginner. See you tomorrow. Meow.